Got a notice of code violation? Worried about property liens piling up? In this video, we break down what city code violations are and what happens when you ignore them. VortexREI offers free, no-obligation home visits to help you evaluate violations and find real solutions. Call 503-308-9707 or visit VortexREI.com. Take a look at this house behind me. From the outside, you can already see some issues. Overgrown yard, deferred maintenance, a structure that's seen better days. Now imagine you own this home. Maybe you inherited it. Maybe life got in the way and things piled up. Maybe you're just not sure where to start. And then one day, you get a notice from the city, a code violation. If that's your situation right now, I want you to watch this entire video, because what happens next, if you ignore that notice, can cost you far more than the repairs ever would have. I'm Richard with VortexREI, and today we're talking about city code violations, property liens, and, most importantly, how to actually resolve them. Every city and county in Oregon has what are called municipal codes, rules that govern how properties need to be maintained. These cover a wide range of issues. I'm talking about things like trash and debris accumulation, junk vehicles on the property, overgrown vegetation, derelict or unsafe structures, broken windows, graffiti, abandoned buildings, even tall grass in some jurisdictions. When a neighbor complains or a code enforcement officer spots the issue during a routine sweep, the city sends you a notice of violation. That notice gives you a deadline to fix the problem. And that's where most homeowners make a critical mistake. They get the notice, they feel overwhelmed, and they do nothing. Maybe they don't know where to start. Maybe they don't have the money. Maybe they just hope it goes away. It doesn't go away. In fact, it gets significantly worse. Here's what happens when you ignore a code violation notice. The city will typically follow up with additional notices, and each one can come with escalating daily fines. We're talking $100, $250, sometimes $500 a day depending on the jurisdiction and the severity of the violation. Those fines accumulate, and once they reach a certain threshold, the city has the legal authority to attach them to your property as a lien. A lien is essentially a legal claim against your property. It means you cannot sell, refinance, or transfer that property without first resolving the lien, which by then could be tens of thousands of dollars. In extreme cases, some cities can take remediation action themselves, meaning they'll send a crew out to clean up or board up the property and bill you for it. And that bill gets added to the lien too. I've seen situations where a homeowner ignored a violation that would have cost $3,000 to fix and ended up with a $40,000 lien on their property. That's a problem that didn't have to happen. Now, whether you're in Salem, Portland, Eugene, Medford, or anywhere else in Oregon, if you're staring down a code violation and you don't know where to start, I want to tell you about something we offer at VortexREI. We provide a free, no-obligation consulting home visit. We come out to your property, walk through the violations with you, and give you honest, practical suggestions on what needs to happen to get into compliance. We've worked with homeowners dealing with all kinds of code issues: derelict structures, debris cleanup, junk vehicle removal, overgrown lots, unsafe buildings. We know how these processes work, we know how to talk to city offices, and we know how to help you build a realistic plan of action. We're not here to pressure you into anything. Our whole model at VortexREI is solution-based. We come out, we look at your situation, and we tell you what your real options are, even if that means pointing you toward a city program, a contractor, or a resource that has nothing to do with us. Because at the end of the day, a homeowner who gets their violation resolved is better off. And that's what matters to us. A house like this one, it's not a lost cause. Every violation has a solution. Every lien has a path to resolution. but it starts with taking that first step and making that first call. If you're dealing with a code violation anywhere in Oregon, give us a call at 503-308-9707 or visit VortexREI.com. We'll come out to you at no cost and help you figure out exactly where to go from here. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. We release new content every week to help Oregon homeowners navigate the tough situations that nobody else wants to talk about. I'll see you in the next one.